Hello everyone, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Yaya Njai and I'm the co-founder of the Julla Enterprise. In Julla Enterprise we have different field of work that we deal with. Our main mission is to increase high job technical capacity within the Gambian industry, to engage youths that are interested in the learning of the metal work, to train them either in metal work or in a recycling side, on a different side. We introduce them and train them as apprentices to achieve an ultimate secure job within the technical industry of the Gambia. So basically that's what we do in Julla Enterprise, and we have different areas. We have the recycling side and we have the aluminium side and the welding side, and I'm the manager of the welding side as well. So when you come to Julla Welding, we have different varieties of welding materials that we deal with. We deal with from burglar proof, gates, sliding windows. It depends, whatever, furniture, stools, kitchen decks. So it depends. We deal with different varieties of metal work industry. Thank you. This is an art brick machine. Yeah, it's different with the fire brick. It's an art brick. You make it with clay, with mold. You mold it directly. It's a hand press. We modifying it right now to make our own art brick machines right now. That's our whole idea here. So it comes with two different sizes. It comes with different styles of blocks. So we trying to modify it and create it and use it, because it's been bring by one brick engineer who is coordinating the project. It's an art brick. You make it with clay. Sometimes you use just 5% of cement. If you want, you don't use you might not put cement on it. You can take it raw clay, and it's more advantageous, eco-friendly. It controls the temperature of the room or the house, wherever you build it. Yeah. So, but we will show you the sample of the bricks, and you will see. This is how it comes out. These are the bricks that it makes. These are the bricks. These are normal drum oils that people use on different things, but we rather decide to use it and turn it to a finished product that you can use it in your house or wherever you are, to make it a very conducive environment. As you can see, it's a very friendly thing that you can use in your house, to use it as a furniture or whatever. Yeah, so it's a drum oil. It's all under the recycling side. So you can sit on it. Right now the barrels we buy it right now because the barrel is expensive at the market. So many people need it. So we buy it to use it and recycle it and make something good use of it, out of it, that everybody can use. Right now we're not making no profit, not much sales right now. It depends, but yeah, we're not making good market right now. The market is going very slow right now, but we're doing our all best to show the product to the people, that anybody is interested, you can come to us. We will provide it to you based on your design or your idea, how you want it. When you come, we will show you different pictures. We have a different sample of what we create on this. So it depends. Once you come, we will make something. But the market is difficult for now. This other one is a flower vase. It's a flower vase that we make out of the tires. So I think maybe this one, the recycling guy can come and give you more details about it. But it's all under the Julla, what we do. It's a flower vase that you can put your flowers inside, hang it or put it in your room, in your kitchen, veranda, wherever you want it to be. Yeah. Just like a sample of this one that we hang over here. Yeah. That one is a hanging flower vase. You can hang your flower there and put your flower in there. This is a dustbin that we make out of tires. As you can see, you put your basket there. It normally goes with a basket, or you can put your bin bag there, or different bags. You can put it in there. Yeah, it's a bin. It's all made out of tires and plastic as well. Everything is made out of plastic, out of rubber. And this is a standing flower vase. It's all a sample of it to show you can have your standing flower vase. Yeah, once you come inside your house or the garden, it depends, or entrance, you can put it to your standing flowers,
My name is Modulamin Jaite. I am a technical support to Julla. Here in Julla, like my boy was saying, we do recycling, fabrication, welding, aluminium, and so on, so forth. A garden that you can put to anywhere in the compound, even at the height of your building.
Welcome to Gambia's Skills Directory,
where you can find real people
with real skills.
You can now search, find and hire tradesmen
in every corner of the Gambia.
Gambia Skills Directory connects exceptional tradesmen
to potential clients.
We provide a comprehensive online directory
that matches you to your dream tradesperson.
The platform enhances
access to skills
anytime,
anywhere.
It's a space for tradesmen to showcase their talent
and earn competitive advantage.
Skills that bear
all skills,
one place.
We're targeting youth that are interested in learning the skill work, especially ranging from welding to recycling to others to like aluminium. And we will train them as apprentices, and ultimately they will achieve a secure job within the technical industry of the Gambia. Well, as we all know, the world is facing calamities of climate change, and the run and combat to prevent effects of pollution and climate change. Our take on that is we want to introduce a fresh and environmental friendly concept of waste tire management that will provide quality and standard products for the society. Eradicate pollution by stopping waste tire burning and engage youths, government, non-governmental organizations into recycling and upcycling industries in the Gambia. We're trying to recycle, waste materials into products of different brands, like this combo garden tree or the moving garden, you may call it, the flower vases, the trash can, and other decorative ideas, so that are going to be environmentally friendly and accepted within the Gambian market and the sub-region as well, and help youths get employment, contribute into the socio-economic development of this country, and environmental sustainability for the future generation. The sustenance of the earth is a responsibility upon every individual. So the problem that we're facing is our challenges here. We don't have logistics, we don't have materials, much materials. Most of these things you are seeing, we use knife and other small equipments to cut them. But there are equipments for recycling, and we are looking forward to get those kind of things, up to the extent of having a recycling plant in the country, because as we understand, it's known to be existent in this country. So the problem we're facing is the location, because recycling, you need a conducive environment where you will not disturb people. So you cannot do this kind of things in the middle of the city or just like the community. We need places like in the industry, way far from the people, so that we can work. And we need logistics too, because if you want to make these things, you need to go and collect them. So we're really having a problem, and the government is not looking towards this young entrepreneurs. That's what we feel, because the government do know about us, the council, the municipalities do know about us, these technical services directors in these municipalities, they know about us, and the National Environment Agency too, they know the people that can help the country in this recycling. But I don't know why they are turning their back on us, but we are doing, and we are trying as well to combat and prevent effects of climate change. His name is Momodu Saliu Jallo. He's our apprentice, and he is 14. He is 14 and he is doing well. Now we can say he has only 2 years in the company here. But we don't used to give them heavy jobs due to child abuse and those kind of rights. And we respect them as well. But today I just want him to give you a small demonstration of what he can do. He can do more than this, but we always limit them to the job they can handle, because looking at this welding, it always affects the eyesight of the person. So, and in the Gambia, you don't see things like this. People using this kind of equipment, but it's necessary.